In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Miro board as HTML. Whether you're looking to spruce up your website with an interactive board or simply want to share your creative space more effectively, embedding a Miro board can be a fantastic solution. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you understand the process and can execute it smoothly. First things first, you'll want to open your Miro board. Make sure you're logged into your account and navigate to the board you wish to embed. Once you have the board open, it's time to get things started by managing the sharing settings. Look for the Share button, usually located at the top of your Miro interface. This is your gateway to making your board more accessible. When you click on Share, you'll be presented with various options. Now, depending on your goals, you might want to adjust the sharing settings to either enable public access or decide on specific sharing permissions. If your aim is to make the board available to a larger audience, enabling public access is a straightforward way to get there. However, if you want to keep your board a bit more private, you can choose the appropriate permissions that suit your needs. Customize these settings based on who you want to have access to view or interact with your board. Once you've set your sharing preferences, look for the option to embed your board. Not all plans might support this feature, so make sure your plan includes board embedding. If it does, you'll see an option labeled Embed Board. Selecting this option will generate an embed code. This code is crucial as it contains all the instructions needed to display your board elsewhere. Now that you have your embed code, the next step is integrating it into your website as HTML. Begin by navigating to the place on your website where you'd like the board to appear. Find the HTML editor, which could vary depending on the website builder you're using. Once you've found the right spot, simply paste the embed code into the HTML. It's important to ensure that you're inserting it in a place within your site's framework where it can display correctly. After pasting, save or publish your changes to make the board live on your site. Remember, keeping your website's visitors in mind is key. Make sure the embedded board fits well with the rest of your site and maintains a user-friendly experience. You might also want to check how it looks on different devices to ensure it's responsive and accessible for all users. And there you have it. Your Miro board is now seamlessly integrated into your website, ready for anyone you've shared it with to access and enjoy. Take a moment to test it out yourself and see how it looks. Thanks for following along with this guide. We hope this empowers you to share your creativity and ideas more effectively. If you have any questions or run into any challenges, drop us a comment below and we'll be happy to help.